Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. Today we are at Scout Lake fishing for some stock trout, rainbow trout. Super fun fish to fish for. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to fish for them. It's really easy. Pinch sinker, a hook, and some trout nuggets, which I will show you guys in a bit here. I only have about 2 hours to fish. I really want to hit up the dock over there. That's like the best spot. But there's people there, which is fine. That's cool. It gets busy around this time. People are coming back out fishing. Hopefully you guys learned something today and let's have a good time. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys out in the water. Anyways, today we are using Powerbait, the original scent trout nugget. This is what I use for trout. It's very easy to use. You just hook it onto a plain hook and some sinkers and cast it out as far as you can. Keep it closed so the scent stays in. I'm using a smaller hook for this situation. It's basically like Play-Doh. Just goes right in. Alright, just goes right in just like that. I know you could use a bigger hook too, but this is what I got tied on from pan fishing earlier. This is what I'm gonna use. You gotta hurry because I don't have that much battery left. I don't have any heavy sinker, so we're gonna go like this. I wasn't planning fishing from shore, but I guess I have to. I'm putting it on weight because I can't reach it. I gotta be really careful. There we go, that's a good cast. Not too bad. Not too bad. So the trouts are pretty active, you know. They'll eat anything that's down there. It's just the easiest spot to fish is that dock over there. Oh, I got a bite. I got a bite. What they do is they're really smart. They'll eat right around the hook. They'll eat the bait and not the hook. Got him. Yep, we got him. Gotta keep it high. Keep it high. That's actually a nice fish too. Oh no, he's digging, he's digging, he's digging. There we go. You got yourself a little trout, guys. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Oh, I gotta wet my hands first. I'm gonna keep them in the water. There you go. Oh, it's okay. Gotta relax. Oh, jeez. And he comes and lay on my lap. That's a stock trout right there. Only took 2 minutes. Not too bad. Jeez, buddy. Jeez. Relax, relax. There you go. Nice little rainbow. There we go. Back into the water he goes. Go, buddy. I don't want to keep any today, so yes. Again, we are using trout nuggets. Really easy method. It's challenging because we have to cast kind of far, but it works. Again, like I said, these fish will eat just about anything. You can use trout nugget, you can use what do you call it, corn, right? Corn, but corn falls off a lot, that's why I don't use it. You can use trout nuggets, dough, right? Stuff like that. Works pretty good. It's fun catching these guys. They're good too if you want to eat it. I mean, I might keep 1 or 2, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel. Oh, I got him. Nice. Oh, well, that's a nice trout. Oh, he's in the weeds. He's in the weeds. Fights so hard from afar, you know. It's so cool. Oh, it's actually a nice one. Cool. There you go, on the upper lip here. I'm gonna put him in a net for a little while so I can show a little DSLR clip. Plus, I don't want to touch him. Cool, look at that, guys. That's a nice trout. Alright, guys. I'll show you guys this trout. Wash my hands first. Chill, buddy, chill. Relax, relax. There you go. Oh, relax. I got him in a net, don't worry. Got him very active, very slimy too. Relax, buddy. Relax, buddy. Relax. There you go. The stock rainbow trout. If you guys don't know, there's plenty of them. Season is open. Right there. Nice rainbow trout. All right, back in the water he goes. Or come back to me. See ya, dude. Got a bite. Oh, that's a bug. He's on it. Yes, got him. I felt that one. Ooh, he's actually a nice one too. No, not around Louise. There you go. And he's in. There you go. Boom. So that's what I want. I don't want to like hook him too deep. Just right by the mouth here. Right by the roof. Like that. See that? That way I'm not like hurting them as much. Another nice trout. Back you go. Put it over to the right. It's really not that deep over there. It's only like 4 feet of water. Cool. Got a bite. Got a bite. I'll take it. Take it. Got him. Stay up, stay up, stay up. Don't go down, don't go down. No, and he goes into the weeds. There you go. Got him out. He's in. Nice little trout here. With my hands. Around the corner of the mouth, just like that. Chill, bro. Okay, he got him. Got off. He's in the net. Just release him on the GoPro here. That way he doesn't stress out too much. That's a nice trout too. Relax, buddy. Oh, there he goes. If he goes. Go, buddy. Go, go, go. Let's go. Good bite, good bite, good bite. What the heck is that? Got him. Yeah. Finally, it took me long enough. And it's a decent fish. Wet my hands. Pretty good. Bro, if you chill, I'll get you out. There you go. Good release. Oh, GoPro. There you go. Much better. See ya. Got him. No, he's in the weeds. Get out, get out, get out. He took me in the weeds. Good job. Bowl of salad. Feisty guy. Jeez, buddy. What a hot mess. Brought me a bowl of salad too. Oh, I actually snagged him. How the heck that happened? Alright, relax, relax. Chill, buddy. There we go. That's off. Nice little guy here. Alright, catch and release. That's a pretty fish. Nice. Get your dough out. This is what I'm using. Trout nuggets. Okay. This stuff right here. This is the juice. Super easy bait to use. Jeez, those freaking geese. Basically marshmallows. You know, just you can hook it from like the cylinder side or just, you know, right through the middle. Doesn't really matter. Then what you want to do is you just want to pinch it a little bit so it tightens up on the hook. Just like that. You can bury it if you want, you know, because these fish are really smart. They'll eat right around it. But that's what it is right there. Really easy bait. So, see if you catch one or two. That's a big one. Go, guys. Nice pretty rainbow. If you sit still, look at that fish. So pretty. Look at the color on that thing. So cool. Alright, let it go. Chill, buddy. Relax, relax. Put your hand first. Oh, and he goes. Nice. Perfect release. Good job. Chill, chill. Just gotta cut this line off. Here you go, guys. Last trout. Let's see if he swims off. If he swims off, perfect ending. There he goes. See ya. And that's it. Alright guys, so that is it for today. Started to get late. Bite is still picking up, but whatever, man. I had a blast. Hopefully you guys learned something today. Very simple technique. Come out here, have a good time, catch some fish, take your families out. Again, we're using that trout nuggets from Powerbait. It's always fun trout fishing. We're gonna do more of this, hopping around ponds and just catch some childhood fish, you know. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, hit the comments down below, hit that thumbs up. Let's get out of here. Peace.